Hi students, welcome to the channel, and today we are going to learn in detail about this poem, that is the grasshopper and the cricket, on the grasshopper and the cricket. And I know that you people are will be asking me about a detailed explanation, so I'm going to provide you with the rhyme scheme, with the Petrarchan sonnet, and how this whole poem is a sonnet. So students, let me first tell you that this video will be in two parts so that I can explain you every stanza in detail. By every I mean like there are only two stanzas, like the first and the second. Okay, so this is the first stanza, and in the other video I'll be explaining you about the second stanza. Okay students, so let us start. So I want you to concentrate over here. uh, so, the poetry of earth is never dead. When all the birds are faint with the hot sun and and hide in the cooling trees, a voice will run from hedge to hedge about the new moon mead. Okay, so as you can see, there are certain words that I have already underlined. So this is the first line. Okay, this whole thing is the first line. This is the second line till sun. From and to run is the third line, and from to mid is the fourth line. Okay students, so please don't get confused, there was no space, so otherwise you would understand that this is line 1, line 2, line 3 and line 4. Okay, so in the earlier videos, if you observe, that I have explained you about the rhyme scheme. So here, yes, so we'll be needing that information. Okay, so if you see here, dead, okay, is the last word. We have to concentrate first on the last word. The last word over here in the second line is sun. Last word in the third line is run. Sorry, is run, and last word in the fourth line is mid. Okay, and we all know that Petrarchan sonnet is nothing but the rhyme scheme is A B. I hope it's visible. B A B B A C D E C D E. Okay, so this is a rhyme scheme of a Petrarchan sonnet. I had explained you in the earlier video what is a Shakespearean sonnet and what is a Petrarchan sonnet. So we know the rhyme scheme is this. So here in the first stanza we are only going to consider this much: A B B A, A B B A, and if you remember, this is known as the octave. Okay, it's called as the octave. Okay, so now here we come with the rhyme scheme, how it is. I know it is a little bit complicated, but once you get into the depth of it, you understand it really very well. Okay, so dead. Okay, so I'll have dead as A, suppose, for example. Okay, not for example, like it's A. So dead doesn't rhyme with sun, obviously no. Dead doesn't rhyme with run, but dead rhymes with med. So new mown med means it's a freshly cut hay or freshly cut grass. So poets often refer to as freshly cut grass or hay as a new mown med. Okay students, so this is the meaning of it. So med, so dead and med rhyme together. So if dead is A, med is also A. Okay, now we have used A and A, sorry, A. So next alphabet that we will be using will be B, obviously students. Okay, so so if you observe, next word in the next line, the ending word is sun and run. Obviously there's no rocket science that sun and run rhyme with each other. So if sun is B, and run will also be B. As we know that a sonnet has a fixed rhyme scheme, so under that fixed rhyme scheme only we have to arrange the words. Okay students, so you got the first four: A B B A. If you observe over here, A, B, B, A. Okay, now we come to the next. Yes, these are all 8 lines are together only. There is no difference. Okay, if you come over here, you will observe that I have underlined the last word is lead, done, fun and weed. If you observe, if I say lead is A, lead doesn't rhyme with done. Okay, lead doesn't rhyme with fun, but lead rhymes with weed. So lead and lead, if it lead is A, weed also becomes A. Okay, I hope it's visible. Okay, so in summer luxury he has never done. So I have already used A. Now the alphabet that I'll be using will be B. So if done is B, fun will also be B, because it is clear that done and fun are rhyming with each other. So B. So here we come, A, B, B, A. So if you observe the rhyme scheme, the octave of our rhyme of our Petrarchan sonnet is done. That is A, B, B, A, B, B, A. Okay, once again, A, B, B, A, B, B, A. Okay students, I hope this much is clear to y'all. We'll get back to CDE in the next period, or in the next video, sorry. And okay, one more thing. If you observe all the A's, okay students, if you observe all the A's, deed, made or made, you know, it's kind of what we say, self-explanatory also. Sometimes doesn't mean that rhyming words should rhyme, you know, fully rhyme, but there's, you know, our common sense also we use sometimes. Okay, for that, if you observe dead, med, uh, lead or lead, you know, they actually rhyme together, and weed. So all these words rhyme together. And B, if you observe all the B's, sun, run, done and fun, all the B's rhyme together. Okay students, rhyme with each other. I mean, I hope this thing is clear to you, and I hope that this session was useful for you. And if you have any doubts, please comment down in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And goodbye, and we'll see you next time.